Alright, you guys, Kubota here. Got some stuck pins. Got this lower one right here, lower one over here, and then the upper on this side. The other side's surprisingly good. I'm pretty sure the reason for failure is without having the bolts in here like they're missing, there's nothing securing this pin in here, so it's actually seized up in the middle, whereas the pin itself would be held firm and then just the center bushing would be on the wear, which is where your grease is going. So my plan here, got a chunk of pipe. I'm actually just going to tack that on the outsides here, and then I have a jackhammer, just I think it's like a 35-40 pounder, so nothing big, but that should hold me true to where I need to be in order to slip these pins out. I've been hitting it with penetrating oil for probably 4 days now, and if I stick a bolt through there to hold the pin, it still just snaps right off. So after this, the torches are coming out, so hopefully this will work. Well, you guys, I did end up having to bring out the torch, which kind of sucks. Not sure how the whole heat treat thing works on here, but that little cap did pull it off. Pins out, and taking grease now. I'm going to try and clean up the inside bore here the best I can with some wire brushes, otherwise I'm going to stick her back in. So the first thing I'm going to do is just weld on this piece of pipe. That's my spacer for my jackhammer, just so it allows me to keep it right where I want it and it's not bouncing all around. Make sure it's taking grease. Which it is. Get some extra grease out so then it helps with the pin sliding in. I know it's getting dark out here, but I actually threw it on the lathe real quick and just took off a little bit of mushroom, I think, from hammering on it. There. Fits nice now. Well, you guys, I know I'm not a painter, but it works and we're in good shape again. Just got to add a bolt to this one. It's actually stayed free, surprisingly, despite my theory of the bolt being missing is what caused this. But I hope this helped you if you're stuck like I was. If it did, please give me a thumbs up, comment if you got any questions for me, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, you guys.